Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. And today I'm at the forest called Durga Reserve Forest. It's around 40 to 50 kilometers from Udupi and around 65 to 70 kilometers from Mangalore. It's a beautiful place, and I'm here to show you one beautiful bird called Malabar trogon. It's one of the most beautiful birds of the Western Ghats, and whenever you visit Udupi or Mangalore, you can come to this place. And again, bird photography doesn't require you to take permissions to go inside. Just to do bird watching on the roads. We are not going to go inside the forest. So we don't require any sort of permissions. We'll be just checking on the road. So guys, right now I'm at a place where the trogons are found very frequently. You see, we're on the road, and you can see the road behind me. And this is one of the places where we normally find the trogons very frequently. I can hear the ruby-throated bulbul. They're quite active today. And let's see if we can see the trogons as well. Let's see. Dense forest. And this is my gear. Using a Manfrotto tripod, quite a sturdy tripod. And this is a Sigma 150-500 on a 60. And my another kit is a Canon 60 Mark II and 100mm macro. So let's see if I get to see the trogons today. To wait. We just heard the trogon call right now. We just heard it.
कॉल आया। मैंने इधर बैठे बैठे इनको बोला कॉल तो आ रहा है।
That's the trogon call. I don't know if you can hear it. So guys, it's kind of quiet right now. There's nothing. I don't know. The activity has kind of dropped. Sound what you heard before was of cicada. Now the cicadas stay inside. I mean, they stay underground, say around 8 to 9 years. And after 8 to 9 years spending underground, they come up. And I put a post. of the photo of the cicada, the way it is coming out. You can see the photo on the video. And yeah, this is the kind of place I prefer, you know. There is the vantage point, so whatever the birds we get at eye level, do not look up. So you can have a look. You can see the road here. So guys, as you can see, that's the tree where the gecko is, and that's my gate there. And I think they're up to something. Let me just see. I came here to watch the birds, especially Malabar trogon, but trogon is nowhere to be seen. We just heard a couple of calls, but seeing a gecko is kind of amazing. So I'll just show you the gecko around. Just show you the gecko right now. Okay, let me just show you the gecko. You can see the gecko here. Beautiful gecko. It's still there. So guys, it's been a very unsuccessful day today. I was not able to get the trogon. Just heard the calls, but that's how the wildlife is, you know. Maybe next time I'll try to show you guys. I heard calls 2 times, but then that's how it is, you know. So maybe next time. See you.